Hi, my name's Jason Marks. I have designed and manufactured the espressoDECK here in Sydney, Australia. The espressoDECK was the first ever patented recessed espresso coffee machine on the market. In this video, I'm going to show you the pre-infusion feature, how to switch it on and switch it off. So this can accidentally be switched on, and that's normally when I get a phone call from a customer when they have simply turned the machine on first thing in the morning and gone to make sure it works. And comes up with a different mode. They then turn it off and back on, and everything's working again. And so then they go to use the machine, and a pre-infusion feature has been activated. They didn't know. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on and turn it off. So that was actually the turning on. So we turn on, within 5 seconds we push the first button. That will activate pre-infusion. To lock that in, we turn it off and then back on. We wait 5 seconds and then that is activated. So you'll see that the first little bit of water wets the coffee and then full force is delivered to the coffee. So to turn the pre-infusion off, we turn the machine off and back on. Within 5 seconds, hit the second button. We then turn the machine back off, then back on. Now we wait 5 seconds. You should always wait 5 seconds when turning the machine on. And now the pre-infusion is off. The E61 group head has a beautiful pre-infusion, so it's unlikely that a blend requires the electronic pre-infusion, but it is there for those particular blends that taste better with a longer hang time. So thanks very much for watching. If you have any questions, get in touch via email, info@espressodeck.com.